Mabuhay! Welcome to Bishkek. And you know, the best shawarma in the world is here. I will choose 3 best places which I like, and the Aaron will make decision which will be his favorite shawarma. We have Oasis over here. We have Damdu over here. And we have Mireki over there. Let's go! We bought already 3 shawarma here. I didn't choose anything. I told them give me your best-selling shawarma to taste. So we have
It's very small, huh?
Is it? I will show you. Oh my gosh, it's so big.
So guys, this is a comparison and a mukbang also.
Yes. So, oh my, something wrong with this one. Okay. This is Oasis. Then
We'll open it later.
Wow, this is so big.
Yeah.
Bireki.
Yes.
As they put too much tissue. It's very good. And we have Damdu. Oh my god, I think this is the biggest. Look at this. Compare with my hand.
Yeah, I know. Привет!
Mabuhay!
Time for our mukbang.
Your mukbang.
No.
Your mukbang.
No, I will just taste it and I will compare.
Ah, you want to share with me? Sharing is caring.
No, I will just taste and you will finish it.
I'm gonna lose weight. I need to lose weight.
Next time. I'm on vacation. We're on vacation. Mabuhay!
Привет.
Let's get ready with our
You
mukbang.
should to say привет.
Yeah.
Okay, one more.
Привет!
Mabuhay!
Time for mukbang! Okay, so let's start. Which one? Which one will... Okay.
Oh, so heavy. Wow. It's so heavy. This is bireki. Bir is one.
Okay. Let's go now. Let's go. Okay.
Wow, it looks so delicious. Oh my god.
It's very big, guys. I will just compare my...
It's cheese dough.
Cheese dough. Wow.
It's cheese dough. Oh, it looks so delicious.
Cheese dough.
That's so nice. There's chips.
There's the cheese. Chips.
And it's with beef. Too much beef.
So let's like till here.
Can you try to show them what is inside? Do you like it?
I'm busy.
He likes it.
The chips give extra texture and taste.
Yeah.
It's good. The sauce is really nice.
It's not dry, right?
No. And there's still this cheese from the dough.
Let's taste the another one. Otherwise you will say you're full. So
Okay.
bireki, it was amazing.
Вкусно.
Вкусно. Вкусно, it means delicious. Yummy.
Okay. Next is Oasis. I don't know if they can see it, but this is Oasis.
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 But we call it Oasis.
Oasis. It's crispy.
It's also baked.
And
With
this is
sesame
with sesame seed. Actually, I don't eat with sesame seed, but okay. Not yet. Need to.
Still dough.
Yes. It's crispy.
I feel spicy.
It's spicy.
I like spicy.
Let's finish.
It's one more point.
Let's finish the dough first.
Wow.
Almost there. Okay. Give your comment first because I'm still in the dough.
There's fresh cucumber. There's tomato and
It's
chili.
pickled. I think it's pickled.
No, there is no pickles. Maybe you. For me, I
Chili?
get the fresh cucumber. There is dill.
Yeah.
We're gonna share the recipe.
No, it's. This shawarma is refreshing. It's spicy and it's refreshing because of the dill and
Yeah.
the cucumber, fresh cucumber.
But I think there is less meat. Let me take a picture so we can.
Yeah, but I think it's in the middle. But
A little bit so we will see that it's really worth it. Yes.
but it's nice.
Yeah.
It's refreshing. But yes, it's with little meat, less meat.
Yeah. Drink more water.
Damdu.
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 Damdu, it means delicious.
Whoa.
Oh, so big. Oh my god. It's really, really big. Oh, it's already with meat.
It's also nice.
Fresh cucumber. It's too much meat here.
Yeah.
Yes.
That's it.
Let me get picture so you will see all the best shawarmas.
Because you know, guys, every time that me and Miriam are together, she always tells me the best shawarma
In Bishkek.
in Bishkek.
Are you agree with me now?
Yes, but we have to finish this all.
Yes. I will help you, don't worry. Wow, there is fries as well.
There's fries.
Second shoot.
So the first one is with chips, right?
Yes, and with cheese dough.
Cheese dough. The Oasis.
Oasis is with, it's less meat but it's more refreshing,
refreshing.
and it's spicy, which is good. This one is super big.
Yeah.
Even for us it's
Meat.
big. Usually we eat a lot, but this one it's too much.
No.
It's big point.
Of course, it's not only for two.
Yeah.
It's good for two Aaron and two Miriam.
Yeah, exactly.
So we cannot finish. Food
Even
one.
me, I'm full.
Yeah,
me,
food
I'm
one.
full. I think it's my first time in my life.
It's
when
the
I'm
first
full.
time. No, it's the first time that we lost in a mukbang.
Yeah.
Anyway, so
This is time to make decision. Which shawarma was the best?
well, to be honest, for me,
Let's
all
start from the
they have
big size.
No, they have big differences.
Okay.
It's not the size, like big differences, like in taste, in ingredients, in preparation. So first, with the
Damdu.
Damdu, for me, Damdu it has a lot of things inside, like it is the
Cabbage, fries,
the meat.
tomato,
Yes.
cucumber.
Yes, and it's really very big. It's gigantic. So
And
you can
it's heavy.
Yeah, it's good for it's good for family and group of friends.
Yeah.
You will really enjoy it. I really enjoyed it.
One is already too much for one person.
Yes, and but the dough, it's just that the dough for me is
It's a little bit thick, like dry or something.
yeah, it's a bit dry. Because I'm quite particular with the texture of food. So yeah, and then
Next one.
this
Oasis.
is Oasis. What
For me, this one was best.
what I really like about Oasis is the things that the ingredients that I don't eat, I started eating, and I like the combination. I like the combination of this sesame seeds, this dill, and this. What else is there?
There is chips, there is chili, cucumber, and tomato as well. But there is some sauce which is, it's not ketchup.
It's a special sauce.
It's a special sauce.
I really like the sauce, and
I like the dough. It was baked, and on the top you can see the egg.
yes, I also like the dough.
I like the dough.
Really?
Yeah.
So nice. Because for me, it's really refreshing. So when you start eating the other one, you eat it in the middle, and then you eat another one. So you will not be full very fast. And then next is, what is it?
And just to add, the one shawarma of Oasis is enough for one person. You cannot share with two, I think.
Yeah,
it's enough.
yes,
it's good. What is this portion for one?
It's good portion. Yes, it's good portion. That's what I can say. And this one?
Bir eki.
Bir eki.
Bir eki. It means 1 and 2.
1 and 2. Bir eki. For bir eki,
it's also very big.
yeah, it's like second to
By size.
Damdu, yes, by size, and I really like it because it's very tasty. It's very tasty, especially the dough. I've learned that it's cheese dough.
It's cheese dough.
And it's flavorful, and the texture is very nice. There's chips also, this meat. What else is here?
There is
Yes,
tomato, cucumber.
Yeah.
There is melted cheese as well inside.
Yes. So if you really love cheese, then this is the thing for you. Okay, so my decision is, I really enjoyed all these 3 shawarmas, but as Miriam was telling me, I need to decide.
There's only one.
Yes, which is, she will also decide and I chose this.
Like all.
I chose this.
Bir eki.
Yeah, the cheese shawarma.
The winner for Aaron is cheese shawarma from Bir Eki. For me, I think it's very difficult to choose because I like big portion like Damdu, I like dill and spicy like Oasis, and I like cheese like Bir Eki.
So which one?
I need to choose one.
Yes, because I was thinking like they all have something that I really like, but you told me that you need to choose one, only one. So choose what's best for you.
It's so difficult to choose, but I think I will go with Oasis because I like spicy, I like dill, and it's baked, and it's for me it's very, the taste something special.
Oh, just like me. Oh, for you.
Oh, it's the best flowers.
No, hold the flowers.
My flowers. Okay. В общем, ребят, спасибо вам всем, то, что разрешили нам заснять, как вы все это готовите. Это было очень вкусно, все безумно круто, сервис, люди, девочки-кассирши.
Очень сильно.
Девочки-кассирши очень мило улыбались, обслуживали. И я смело могу вам порекомендовать эти 3 точки: Дамду, Bir Eki и Oasis.
Да. Хорошо.
Вкусно?
Да.
Say вкусно. Вкусно.
Вкусно.
Вкусно.
Вкусно.
Все было очень вкусно.
Очень вкусно.
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 Yes.
Так.
Все было реально вкусно. Спасибо, ребят.
Пока.
Talampo!